If you are new to the channel, then subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for further notification. Okay student, welcome you all to this new lecture where we are seeing the concept of circles for JEE Main and advanced level. So today we will see a new concept, director circle. What is the meaning of director circle and what is the perpendicular tangents? At what condition we can draw a perpendicular tangents from an external points? Okay, then let's see. So next is what is director circle, a new concept, a director circle, something new we will heard, and the perpendicular tangent from the given point to a given line. Suppose a point is given to you and from this point you want to draw two tangents which are perpendicular to each other. First let us see this one, then we will extend it for director circle. So this circle is given to you and this point is given to you. What is my intention? My intention to find two tangents from this point which are perpendicular to each other, 90 degrees to each other. Let us see how this is possible and what should be the condition for that one. To have this one, what should be the condition? So what is the PT1 slope and PT2 slope? These two products should be -1. So what is the slope of this one? PT1 and PT2. This is M1 into M2, slope of these two. Okay. Now you come to your earlier article. So M1, M2 are the slopes of these perpendiculars. You have seen how to find the slopes of this perpendicular from this quadratic equation. You solve with this quadratic equation, you find M1, M2. So these are the roots of this quadratic equation. So if you know the roots, what is the product of the roots from the quadratic equation? C by A. So this is your C, this is your A. So M1 will be equal to C by A. Only this one. So C by A. So these two products should be equal to minus. That means this one should be satisfied. So if this is the condition, if this condition is satisfied, then the tangent you draw from P will be obviously perpendicular to each other. So this is the condition for perpendicular tangent from a given point. If you want to draw from a particular point, you see whether you can draw two perpendicular tangent. From every point you cannot do. So if you want to check whether this point perpendicular tangent can be drawn or not, if this condition is satisfied, then you can draw. Okay. Now let us think about director circle. What is director circle? Forget about director circle. Let us see such points P, because there will be so many points from which from this also you can draw to perpendicular. Not from all points you will find, but you will find lots of other points from which you can draw perpendicular lines. So let us find the locus of these all points. So that all points from which the perpendicular tangents can be drawn, if we join all these, then that will give me the locus of the point P. So that is the locus of point P from which both the tangents drawn to the circular perpendicular. So we are finding all the possible points from which these perpendicular tangents can be drawn, and we join that point. That is the locus. So when it is possible, suppose P will consider xy for locus, it can take any point. So when it will be possible, if this square, x square plus y square, this is xy, not this fixed point now, any arbitrary point, because we are finding locus. For any from this point, if it has to be tangent, then it is this point x square plus y square should be equal to 2a square. So if this condition is satisfied for any value of x and y, then from that point you can draw the tangent. So this represents the locus. So this has to be satisfied. This is the locus, which is nothing but known as the director circle of the given. So that's why I have drawn this dotted line, and that's why I have given it root 2a. So this is also a circle, and this circle is known as the director circle of the given circle. This one is the given circle, and this is the director circle. This is the director circle of the given circle with a radius of root 2a. Its radius is root 2a. You can see it is root 2a whole square. So what is the radius of director circle? Root 2a. And what is the meaning of the director circle? Director circle meaning is that from the director circle point, from the director circle you choose any point, you can draw perpendicular tangent to the original circle. If you like the video, then press the like button and please give your valuable comments in the comment section.